Create original, realistic, and artistic images from text descriptions with Dall-e 2. Look how easy it is. Just create a text description and Dall-e will create an image out of nothing with its own knowledge. You can also upload an image and edit its contents. You can add or remove any contents, like for example here the flamingos or the corgis. And you can also have variations of the same style of painting. Welcome to a new era. So, the other day I was surfing Reddit and I bumped into this post. As you can see here, I'm in Cool Guides subreddit and it's comparing AI text to image generators. This one in particular is comparing OpenAI Dall-e 2 versus Stable Diffusion. As you can see, machines have come a long way, up to the point that they can be as creative as a person. And personally, I can say that they are actually way more talented than I am. By no means I am an artist, but I painted this wallpaper. Actually, it was kind of cheating because I was taking inspiration in a cereal box design. And by the way, this is like my second painting, so please don't judge. Now, going back to the post, let's have a look at these photos and the description. So, photo of a cat building a sandcastle on a beach. Photorealistic 8K photo, golden hour award winning. These two cats are quite amazing, but I feel like OpenAI did a better job. This one looks more artistic, less realistic, and the description actually said it has to be photorealistic. So it didn't quite hit the mark, but very good indeed. Now let's go to the second photo. Accountant laughing maniacally after counting piles of cash made from selling access to the Dall-e 2 beta. Both of them are quite good. This one has a very long arm, a very big hand, but apart from that, quite good. OpenAI, on comparison, looks very diffuminated, the depth of the photo, but apart from that, you can see a bit of like Photoshop in the person, but it looks quite realistic. The only problem I would just say is that this person has a very big mouth, but apart from that, I think it could be realistic enough. The third one is quite cool. Unicorn skeleton standing next to an open window. Both of these are quite realistic, I would say. The window especially, and it looks like a horse skeleton with like horn. Both of these are quite interesting. The Taj Mahal in India, made of different kinds of cheeses. This one failed to do the exercise, and this one completely nailed the exercise. Like, this is amazing. Like, Taj Mahal made of cheese, and this image doesn't even exist. That's impressive. And then the last one, Santa doing last minute Christmas shopping on Amazon. Very beautiful digital art. It looks very digital. This Santa in particular looks like the standard Santa that you use in a commercial. Very standard Christmas tree and presents. And this one looks very actually realistic. Digital art, yeah, looks very digital, although it's very realistic. And also captured very well the last minute because he looks very stressed. It's funny that he's like shopping in As instead of Amazon, but this is the Amazon logo, so quite cool indeed. I don't know why it chose this image. And thank you, Kaarssteun, for this comparison. If you want to try Dall-e 2, you can join the waitlist, but otherwise, if you're not that interested, you can still try Dall-e Mini and in crayon.com. Here in crayon.com, you can choose like what you want to see. Santa opening presents, for example. It will take a while, so I'll speed up the process. So overall, in my opinion, it's quite a good result. But when you ask Dall-e Mini to create people, it's kind of creepy. As you can see, the faces are disfigured. So probably try it with objects only. But actually, what is Dall-e really? So to explain that, we can go to their page, OpenAI, and Dall-e is an AI system that takes a written description and creates surprisingly realistic images that doesn't exist. This model is a very well-trained and extensive neural network of images and text, and through deep learning algorithms that process natural language inputs, they make it understand as much as a machine can do objects, styles, and the meaning of words, essentially. It can even catch descriptive adjectives and feelings. So, for example, we have here an astronaut riding a horse in a photorealistic style, or in an Andy Warhol style, or as a pencil drawing, and you can have various images of the same prompt. Quite interesting. Can even do some Photoshop, as the OpenAI explains. They can edit and retouch photos by simply like taking the prompt, a cute cat, and change the dog into a cat. So yesterday, I finally got an invitation after being in a waiting list for a few months. I think it was just 2, so not very long. And I'm super excited. So after signing up, I got into this page, and now we can see we have 50 credits here, and we will get 15 more next month. Let's check it out. So here we have a 3D render of a cute tropical fish in an aquarium on a dark blue background, digital art. Interesting. What do you guys want to make? Like, okay, let's see. Robot building a human person in a tank of water of let's see, in a dark lab. I should probably make a thumbnail photo for this video. Okay, let's see. Well, robot building a human failed that task. Maybe it's a bit difficult for it to understand, but essentially we can see that there is really like a robot, or yeah, humanoid robot inside a tank of water in a dark lab. Yeah, quite dark. Yeah, fair enough. So let's try and make a thumbnail. Let's see if we can find something about neural networks. Let's see. Honestly, it's a bit disappointing. I was thinking something more like a brain or some neurons. So I guess I'm not putting this on the thumbnail. Let's do like interesting, cool. Although the phoenix is not really a phoenix. Very confusing perspective. This guy is like a dragon knight. Very cool, and still very cool. Let's go with a last one. Let's make something robotic. Robot. So I'll leave you here with a few attempts of my not very descriptive. As you will see, I tried a couple of times, but none of these images caught my eye, so I didn't make a thumbnail out of them. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and as always, if you have any doubts, questions, or suggestions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.